Let's now proceed to compute for the goodwill sa problem 3, number 9. No? So, ang issue dito, meron siyang tax consideration, ano? Tapos magkaiba yung carrying amount at fair value nung assets and liabilities. Okay? So, ayon sa problem, no? Entity A acquired all the assets and assumed all liabilities of Entity B for 4 million. So, that will be the consideration transferred, 4 million. Okay? Now, we will compare this, of course, to the fair value of net identifiable assets acquired. So, originally, ang fair value ng net identifiable assets acquired is 6,100,000 less 2,300,000. So, 3,008,000. Ipapasok natin ngayon yung deferred tax asset at deferred tax liability. So, i-add natin yung deferred tax asset. Ang magiging origin po ng deferred tax asset ay yung change in the fair value nung liability, no? Bali, meron kasing change in fair value na 200,000, no? Yung 2,003,000 less 2,001,000. So, kukunin mo yung 30% nun. So, that will result to a deferred tax asset na 60,000. So, kaya siya asset kasi pag yung liability tumaas, ibig sabihin, nakaakibat niyan, tumaas yung expense. An increase in expense will decrease net income, and of course, decrease in net income will decrease your income tax expense. So, that will result to a deferred tax asset. Okay? Yun naman pong deferred tax liability, ang origin niya ay yung sa asset. So, there is an increase of 300,000 dun sa fair value ng asset. Multiply mo yung 300,000 sa 30%, that will be the tax consequence nung pagtaas nung fair value, no? Nung asset, no? Kasi pag tumaas yung fair value ng asset mo, that means meron kang income, and then more income means more net income, that will mean more income tax. So, that will result to the deferred tax liability. No? So, yung 300,000 na itinaas ng asset, multiply that to 30%, that will result to deferred tax liability. So, deduction naman yon, no? Sa computation ng net identifiable assets. So, in summary, ang ating fair value of net identifiable assets is the original 3,008,000 plus tax asset na 60 less tax liability na 90. So, that's 3,770,000. So, our goodwill is 230,000.